Hello everyone, welcome back to the growth sessions of Soul Companion family. Today I have a very interesting topic to talk about, that is spiritual awakening. Yes, you heard me right. Today we are going to talk about spiritual awakening in this video. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनका इंट्यूशन पार्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, जो नंबर सिंक्रोनाइजेशन को बहुत इजीली इंटरप्रेट कर पाते हैं, जिनको यूनिवर्स के सिग्नल्स मिलते हैं, जिनको पास वो मैजिकल पास होती है जिसमें गाइडेंस यूनिवर्स की वो बहुत इजीली इंटरप्रेट कर पाते हैं, या फिर उनका ऑरा इतना पॉजिटिव होता है, वो इतने कंटेंटेड, इतने फुल ऑफ लाइफ होते हैं, और वो किसी भी आपके प्रोजेक्ट में या असाइनमेंट में अगर वो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो आपका काम 100% बन जाता है। तो क्या ये जो मैजिकल पास हैं या जो ब्लेसिंग्स हैं ये सिर्फ कुछ लोगों के लिए पर्टिकुलरली यूनिवर्स बायस रह के देता है, या फिर हम सब स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग के प्रोसेस को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं? और दो बहुत कॉमन वर्ड्स हैं जो काफ़ी कॉमनली यूज़ होते हैं, दैट इज़ बेसिकली निर्वाणा एंड मोक्षा। तो क्या ये जो निर्वाणा और मोक्षा है ये सिर्फ एक पोस्ट लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस ही हैं, या फिर हम इन्हें अलाइव रह के भी एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं? तो आज हम इस वीडियो में वही समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली बेसिकली स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट, और कैन एनीबडी और एवरीबडी कैन एक्सपीरियंस दैट स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग प्रोसेस. So let's understand out what exactly it's all about. There are basically 5 levels to have that spiritual awakening process. And to understand 5 levels, we need to understand the basic concept, और जो हमने कई बार पहले भी वीडियोस में बात की है, that is about your introspection. When we have that connect with our inner self, when we have that connect with our conscious, we are able to receive the signals from the universe, or you can say even the guidance from the universe. So basically it's about openness to receive guidance from the universe when we have a connect with our conscious. So introspection is nothing but to have a connect with our inner self, to have a connect with our conscious, to understand ourselves better. So basically there are 5 levels to have that spiritual awakening process, or to start working on to get that state of spiritually awakened soul as a soul. Okay, so the 5 levels are basically self, mental, emotional, physical and spiritual. And in this video we are going to talk about self level, the first level, and in the coming videos we are going to talk about rest of the levels. Okay, so what exactly self level is to have that spiritual awakening process? Self love, or you can say self perception, is to understand ourselves better, to have that introspection, or you can say to have that connect with our inner self. And how we can do that? We can do that through meditation. Yes, meditation is nothing but to have control on our thoughts, because हम इस चीज़ के बारे में पहले भी बात भी कर चुके हैं, और आई थिंक वी ऑल अग्री विद इट दैट मेजॉरिटी केसेस में, या यू कैन से 90%, और यू कैन से मेजॉरिटी टाइम्स इट हैपेंस दैट 90% ऑफ आर, यू कैन से, और इवन यू कैन से कि थॉट्स ड्राइव अस रादर देन वी ड्राइव आवर थॉट्स. हम उसी वे में हमारा पोर्ट्रेल या प्रोजेक्शन होता है, हमारा पर्सनैलिटी भी वैसा ही रिफ्लेक्ट होता है जिस तरीके से हमारे थॉट्स होते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली majority cases में it's like mind empowering ourselves rather than we empower, or we basically we know how to deal with our mind, how to control our thoughts. So through meditation we understand that how we can have control on our thoughts. Okay, and consciously or unconsciously whatever we notice is basically guided through our current momentum. जो भी हमारा state of mind होता है, जो भी हमारा current momentum होता है, वही हमें basically guide करता है कि what we notice consciously or unconsciously. Okay, so to work on self level, or to have that self perception, or to have that connect with inner self, we need to understand that what exactly I am looking for, or what exactly I am heading towards. So for that we basically what we have to do is we have to start journaling. Journaling is basically when we write a journal to understand ourselves better. So it's must that you every day you have to write your journal, or even if it's not possible for you, make it an alternate day. But if it's at all not possible that you can't write it on alternate days also, make it a point that every week at least you should write. That is must. I think I always make it a point that either I write it on everyday basis, or अगर नहीं होता तो at least alternate days I make it a point that I should write my journal. That is like you should do it. Otherwise we disconnect ourselves from that you can say inner self, or we don't even have that alignment with our current momentum. Okay, so in journaling basically we question ourselves that how to or what exactly my current momentum is, or what exactly my state of mind is, or what exactly my flow of thoughts. So the first question that we ask ourselves in while writing the journaling is, first question is, where I am at right now in my life. Yes, that is the first question that we ask ourselves while writing journal, that where I am right now in my life and even day also. While answering these questions, you should not have any ifs and buts, not even any kind of conditions or justifications or clarifications. Whatever comes in your mind, just write it down. Okay, so there should not even a single condition or situation or justification or clarifications or ifs and buts. Just write it down, whatever is coming in your heart. You should have openness to receive messages, or you should have that you can say openness to your heart and mind, because this is the way where we align our mind and heart in a we tune them in mind and heart, because that is basically tuning your thoughts. Okay, so that is the first question that we ask ourselves, that where I am right now in my life. Then comes the second question, that what's happening in my life. What's happening in my life means what are your highs, lows, even change, modification, everything we need to mention in that question. And as I already discussed, that there should not even a single condition, situation or clarifications, anything. You just need to mention whatever comes in your mind, that what's happening in your life, your happy moments, your low moments, your sad moments, or changes, modification, everything you need to mention. That is the second question. Then comes the third question, that where I am stepping in, or where I am ready to go, or where I wanna go, or where I wanna step in. That means कि मेरा exactly driving force क्या है, what should be the outcome, or what exactly I look for. That is basically about the for the third question, that where I wanna step in, where I am ready to go. That is the third question. So be open to your mind, your thoughts, your basically your heart, and just write it down. That is the basically the third question. Okay, then comes the fourth question, that what's holding you back to have that outcome. ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे उस आउटकम को अचीव करने के लिए रोकती हैं. तो बेसिकली व्हाट वी डू, वी make 4 categories to understand exactly the bottom line of holding back of those outcomes. And the categories are basically body, the first category, then comes the second category, mindset, then energy, and then emotions. Okay, so body basically that if you are not feeling good, or if you're unhealthy, or if you can see you're not in that physical state, good physical state, so that also holds you back to have that outcome. Okay, so fix it. That is basically why we are writing it down in journal, to fix it, to understand. Then second thing is that I just told you about mindset. Mindset is another category that we need to work upon, that if your thoughts or beliefs are holding you back to have that outcome. At times it happens ना कि हमारा mindset काफ़ी rigid हो जाता है, और at times you are very flexible, तो हम उस outcome को achieve नहीं कर पाते. तो whatever it is, you have to fix it there only. Then comes the third category, that is basically your energy. If your energy is low, that means you're not in that vibration, you're not motivated to have that outcome, please try to fix it. Then comes the fourth category or distribution, that is basically the emotion. So emotions, if you are feeling low, if you are not emotionally drained, if you are emotionally drained out, also raise your emotions, because these are the possible outcomes that hold you back to have that outcome. So that is basically the fourth question. Now we know that we are done with 4 questions. The first question was that where I am right now in my life. The second question was what's happening in my life, your highs, lows, and everything. Then third question was where I wanna go or where I wanna step in. Then comes basically the fourth question, that was about that what's holding you back to have that outcome. And then comes the final question or the fifth question. That question is about that what I have done to support that outcome. Now comes the time of celebration or to have that feeling of self satisfaction. Okay, बिकॉज अभी तक आपको एक क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट मिल जाता है कि मैं कहाँ हूँ एग्जैक्टली, मेरा करंट मोमेंटम क्या है और मैंने क्या किया है, उस मेरे एफर्ट्स क्या रहे हैं या मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या रहा है टू हैव दैट आउटकम. दैट गिव्स यू बेसिकली अ सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन, अ सेंस ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट की चीज़ें काफ़ी टिपिकल रही होंगी या मेरा स्टेट ऑफ माइंड जो भी था, बट एटलीस्ट आई हैव डन समथिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिव टू हैव दैट आउटकम. सो बी इन दैट स्टेज ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन और यू कैन से कंटेंटमेंट फॉर कपल ऑफ मिनट्स, बिकॉज अभी आपको सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया, आप कहाँ एग्जिस्ट करते हो, व्हाट्स योर करंट मोमेंटम एंड व्हाट यू हैव डन टू हैव दैट आउटकम. सो बी इन दैट स्टेट ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट और सेलिब्रेशन फॉर कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स. दैट विल गिव यू ड्राइविंग फोर्स टू सक्सीड, टू लीड in life, to move ahead in life. Okay, now comes the when you have that sense of satisfaction or kind of clarity of thoughts ki this was the situation, this I have done and these are the areas where I need to work upon. That means you're halfway done. Now after writing this or after penning down these thoughts without any ifs and buts, now you have to write down in next 5 minutes whatever comes in your mind. At times it happens कि कभी कभी वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो thoughts होते हैं वो practically feasible नहीं होते और कभी कभी illogical होते हैं, but that is not our point of concern. It is about letting go of thoughts. So after getting that clarity, after getting that connect with your inner self, or after getting that understanding that what I am exactly, what I am looking for, what is holding me back, what is my current momentum, what is my state of mind, what I have done constructed to have that outcome. When you have all those you can say clarity in all the domains, you have reached that stage where you have flow of thoughts. So in the next 5 minutes you have to write down whatever comes in your mind without any conditions, without any ifs and buts. That we call it as divine receptivity or download or letting go. So write it down and just let it flow. That moment you will receive the guidance from the universe. You should have that openness to receive that signals or guidance from the universe. Okay, so this is about basically the self level, or you can say understanding self perception, or how to have that connect with your conscious while journaling, and to understand yourself better, to attain that state of spiritual awakening. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूनिवर्स कुछ लोगों के लिए बायस होता है to pass on those signals, to pass on those energies, or to bless them. It's for everyone. It's evenly distributed in the universe. But the issue is that we are not receptive to understand or to receive those signals. And once you know that how to invest, how to work on those 5 levels to have that spiritual awakening, we all can have those magical powers. We all can understand the synchronization of numbers. We all can understand, we all can have that strong intuition, that strong magical aura around us. So we just need to work upon, but the issue is we never invest, and at times it happens that we don't even know to how to attain that spiritual awakening process. Hope this video will help out in some or the other way to understand the magical powers of universe, because we all are source of energies. The basic concept about making this video, or to make you understand about the spiritual awakening process, is that we have to align ourselves with that supreme source of energy, because we all are source of energies. To have that alignment with that source of energy, or you can say with that supreme, we should have that openness to receive signals. हमारे अपने कुछ एक आप बोल सकते हो शेल्स होते हैं, कुछ गार्ड्स होते हैं, एक वॉल्स हम बिल्डअप कर लेते हैं कि हम चीज़ें हमारे सामने होते हुए भी हम उन्हें रिसीव नहीं कर पाते, हम इंटरप्रेट नहीं कर पाते. यूनिवर्स सेंड्स अमेजिंग सिग्नल्स, ब्यूटिफुल ब्लेसिंग्स अराउंड. जब आप इन चीज़ों को कनेक्ट कर पाओगे, व्हेन यू विल हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑल दीज लेवल्स ना, ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन सी मैजिक अराउंड योर सेल्फ. आपको ऐसे हर चीज़ों में सिग्नल्स दिखाई देने लगते हैं कि ओके दिस वे आई हैव टू प्रोसीड, दिस वे आई डोंट हैव टू स्टेप इन. ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है, ये मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन. देन यू विल सरेंडर योर सेल्फ. और जब हमारे पास यू विल सरेंडर योर सेल्फ इन द हैंड्स ऑफ सुप्रीम, इन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. यूनिवर्स विल प्रोटेक्ट यू, यूनिवर्स विल गाइड you, universe will you take to that growth, level of growth, level of contentment. Then you will surrender, you will bow down in front of supreme. आपको फिर कोई inhibitions, कोई restrictions, कोई आप बोल सकते हो inhibitions या फिर insecurities नहीं रह जाती, phobia नहीं रह जाता किसी चीज़ का, कोई fear नहीं रहता कि क्या होगा next. और एक तरीके से डेथ का fear भी फिनिश हो जाता है. एंड यू कैन इमेजिन जिन लोगों को इन चीज़ों की, किसी भी चीज़ों से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, they don't have any desires, they don't have even attachments, they don't have even detachment, they are free, they are contented, they are blissful because they have surrendered themselves to the universe. They have that alignment of energy with the universe. Trust me, it's there, but the only thing is we don't know how to receive it. And once you will start working on all these levels, you will get to know the basic concepts and you will able to receive all those signals. So till we meet next time, do take care of yourself, stay blessed, stay happy, and God bless every soul. Keep learning, keep growing. Take care. Bye bye.